What's up, my crew? This is day 2 of this odd week of daily uploads. I didn't sleep very well, ended up getting up really early, hitting the workout room. You know, of all the hotels I've ever stayed at, this is definitely one of the nicer workout rooms, so I got that going for me. I'm gonna call yesterday's upload fulfilling the minimum requirement. I just felt like after I got it edited that I realized just a whole bunch of stuff that I hadn't done, that maybe I should have done. Not the least of which, introduced myself. I think I just assumed that everybody would know who I was and what I was doing and where I was doing it. By way of introduction, my name is Steven. I work in live production. I do a lot of live events all over the country every year. And this week I am in Tampa, Florida, covering a really big event, a women's conference at the Amalie Arena. Should be an amazing thing. Me and my friends and co-workers love what we do, and we love to do it at a very, very high level of excellence. And this series of videos is taking you behind the scenes on what it's like to set it all up and run it and make an amazing event happen. But while I would love to run around and shoot B-roll of this beautiful city all day, I gotta get cleaned up and get to work. Three cheers for walking cities. Hip hip, replacement. To the venue. Have you ever been to a big concert at an arena? Ice capades, circus, any kind of a big thing. This is what it looks like long before you get there. Everything is just kind of strewn all over the place while we put it together. Things are going really well here on day 2. It is definitely nice to have the extra time when you've got so many extra pieces to all get in here, get wired up, and get talking to each other, because by the time this thing opens up on Thursday night, you want it running absolutely perfect. Hello, Steve. Making things. Hangry has set in, so we're gonna go see if food is ready. We can never remember which door it is. I think it's this one. Yes. Sadness. Well, that was an amazing day. End of 2 days of a lot of setup, a lot of things coming together, and it's just cool when you see elements that you've been working on for months start to play out on big screens and stuff, and it's a little bit rewarding, I'll just say it. But we'll call this the end of day 2. Thanks for coming along for the journey. Give this video a like, a little thumbs up if you're inclined to do so, maybe subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you tomorrow as my week here in Tampa continues.